So I've had an inquiry about this beautiful, it's Belkin. It's the Belkin brand, and I'm pretty sure I got it from the Apple shop many years ago. And someone asked me, is the tip protected? So I'm just going to see if you can see, which end is the camera? I don't know if you can see. Oh, hang on, I'm sorry. Be patient with me while I try and work out how you guys can see that. Maybe not. There's a hole in the bottom and it is tapered inside. So this pen does not touch the bottom. Sorry, let me pull it down. It doesn't touch the bottom. So you can see where it comes down to, right? Let's go there. That's where it is, according to the top of here. I hope you can see that. You can see that it doesn't touch the bottom, but if you could see inside it, you would see that. And there's also a hole down the bottom. But if I had one of these and I was putting in a different type of pen, again, even with this one, it doesn't touch the bottom. Okay. I obviously bought it for my iPencil. Even without this, it still didn't touch the bottom. It's made specifically to protect the nib. So for that person that was asking, for the viewer that was asking about it, it doesn't touch the bottom. It totally protects the nib, and it is beautiful, I must say. I've got two others. They're not here in the room with me right now. UPPR and ELAGO, ELAGO. I'll put the links in the bottom below for another couple. One's a black graphite, the ELAGO. That's beautiful. And the other one is UPPR uppercase, I think the actual brand is, and you can get them in different colors: white, black, pink, mint. Anyway, they're great. I've got a couple of other pencils. I've got a few of them, you know, and I keep them in other rooms. So yeah, that's the information on that for the viewer that was asking. It is Belkin. They probably don't make them. I reckon I've had it for over 10 years. I reckon this is probably 10 years old. Yeah. It's a beautiful little piece of kit. Anyway, that's that. Thanks for watching, and Happy New Year for everyone. It's New Year's Day today. So Happy New Year.